These kits ship straight to your lot. Some start under 70 grand. Not containers, not tiny homes, full-size Barndominiums and cabins. 10 of them. Most people have no idea they exist. Every kit on this list is real, orderable, and ships to your property. We're going from the most affordable to the most impressive. And fair warning, by the time we hit number 10, you might want to rethink your entire housing plan. Number 1, the McKenzie. Number 1 is the McKenzie. This is a 720 square foot studio cabin, and before you scroll past that number, hear me out. At 720 square feet, this kit is doing more than most houses twice its size, even attempt. The McKenzie comes in 2 styles. The classic starts at $70,893. You get traditional Pacific Northwest cabin aesthetics, rustic cedar siding, heavy timber accents, and a steep 9/12 roof pitch that gives it real presence on a property. The modern version actually comes in lower at $63,530. It swaps the steep roofline for a clean 2/12 pitch and introduces a floor-to-ceiling window wall that turns your main living area into a panoramic frame for whatever landscape you're sitting on. Both versions are single-story with 1 bathroom and the same efficient open concept layout. A combined living, kitchen, and dining area is anchored by a generous island with a laundry nook tucked to the side. Framing is Douglas fir with knife plates and powder-coated steel hardware. Walls are 2x6 exterior framing with a weather-resistive barrier and vapor barrier. Siding is select-grade cedar with trim, belly band, and fascia. Windows are Anderson 100 series. Think guest house. Think backyard ADU. Think vacation rental generating income while you sleep. At this price, the McKenzie is the entry point into cabin ownership that most people genuinely don't know is available. Number 2, the Rogue. Number 2 is the Rogue, and this is where we step into proper 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom territory. You're looking at 948 square feet of conditioned space and 1,260 total square feet. The classic Rogue starts at $88,160. It features vaulted ceilings, an open-concept living area, and a covered porch that sets the tone for that lodge-inspired lifestyle. The modern Rogue starts at $91,775 and takes a different approach. Clear-story windows flood the space with overhead light, and the covered porch blends indoor and outdoor living seamlessly. The layout on both is practical. A spacious living, dining, and kitchen area anchors the main space. The primary suite includes an ensuite bathroom for privacy, with a second bedroom rounding out the floor plan. Framing is Douglas fir with knife plates, anchor bolts, and powder-coated steel hardware. Siding is select-grade cedar. Windows are Anderson 100 series with knotty alder doors. Here's what makes the Rogue worth watching. It has completed builds in Virginia, Oregon, and on a ranch in Texas. Real people are living in these right now. This is not a rendering on a website. It's a kit with a track record. But we're just getting started. Number 3, the Meridian. Number 3 is where the Barndominium crowd needs to pay close attention. This is the Meridian, and it was built for people who want a home and a garage under one roof without their house looking like a metal shed. The Meridian is a stick-framed Barndominium kit with vaulted wood trusses and no interior load-bearing walls. That means total freedom on your floor plan. Move walls wherever you want. It comes in 6 standard sizes ranging from 30 by 48 to 40 by 72. Every model is single-story, so if you want a straightforward build with no second-floor framing to worry about, this keeps things simple. The smallest 30 by 48 starts at $90,503 with 727 square feet of conditioned living space and a 713 square foot garage. Step up to the 40 by 60 and you get 1,209 square feet of living space and a 1,191 square foot garage for $118,245. The largest 40 by 72 sits at $131,738 with 1,449 square feet of living space, a 1,431 square foot 3-car garage, and 2,880 total square feet. Walls are 2x6 exterior framing with a weather-resistive barrier and vapor barrier. Siding is hardy primed cedar mill fiber cement, low maintenance and clean. Windows are Anderson 100 series. You get pre-manufactured vaulted wood trusses, decorative heavy timber knee braces, and structural hardware throughout. If you've been pricing steel frame Barndominiums and choking on the quotes, the Meridian is the alternative that keeps coming up for a reason. Number 4. The Pineridge. Number 4 is the Pineridge, and this one is a completely different animal. This is an apartment barn kit. That means a full working ground floor, horses, vehicles, workshop, storage, whatever you need, with a complete living space stacked right on top. It comes in 5 sizes, all 36 feet wide, ranging from 24 to 72 feet long. The smallest 36 by 24 starts at $101,033 with 799 square feet of conditioned loft space and 1,663 total square feet. The largest 36 by 72 reaches $200,820 with 2,528 square feet of conditioned space and 5,120 total square feet. Every model is 2 stories. Framing is premium Douglas fir posts and glulam beams. The loft floor system uses 6 by 12 Douglas fir beams with 2 by 12 joists and tongue and groove edge gold sheathing. Siding is hardy panel fiber cement with select tight knot cedar trim, belly band, and fascia. Windows are Anderson 100 series. The ground level includes classic equine barn doors. On the 36 by 72, the ground floor can accommodate up to 11 horse stalls or be fully converted to equipment storage, a garage, or a workshop. Upstairs, that same model delivers enough space for a 3+ bedroom apartment at 2,528 square feet. For anyone who needs their property to work as hard as they do, function below, comfort above, the Pineridge does double duty without cutting corners on either level. Number 5, the Chinook. Number 5 is the Chinook, the largest classic cabin in the entire lineup. 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and 1,189 square feet of conditioned space spread across 2 stories. The classic Chinook starts at $119,873 and comes with a handcrafted heavy timber truss, cedar siding, post and beam construction, a covered porch, and an upper deck. The 12/12 roof pitch gives it a steep, unmistakable lodge profile. The modern Chinook starts at $123,622 and trades that steep roofline for a contemporary 2/12 and 3/12 combination that feels entirely different. The layout is consistent across both versions. The main level has open kitchen, dining, and living areas that flow onto a sweeping covered porch, ideal for entertaining. Upstairs, a versatile loft works as a primary suite, home office, or creative studio. Total square footage is 1,647 for the classic and 1,600 for the modern. The floor system includes Douglas fir loft beams, 2 by 12 joists, tongue and groove sheathing, a stair package, and an exterior deck with cedar handrail. Framing is Douglas fir with knife plates, anchor bolts, and powder-coated steel hardware. This is the cabin that shows up in your head when someone says the words cabin in the woods. Except this one ships in a kit and you can actually build it on your own land. Number 6, the Cottonwood. Number 6 is the Cottonwood. 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 1,480 square feet of conditioned space, and a 484 square foot 2-car garage included in every model. The classic Cottonwood starts at $141,001 with a total footprint of 2,144 square feet. It's a single-story design with an open concept living area, a kitchen island, a great room that flows onto a covered porch, and a private primary suite at the rear. The roof pitches of 3/12, 9/12, and 12/12 give the exterior visual depth and character without being excessive. The modern Cottonwood starts at $226,586 and delivers 2,216 total square feet. The multi-pitch roofline is replaced by a single dramatic slope that creates a bold covered entryway. Inside, window walls wrap the open living space, while heavy timber beams overhead fill the room with natural warmth and light. Both versions use Douglas fir and glulam timbers, select grade cedar siding, and Anderson 100 series windows. The foundation is a crawl space with edge gold floor sheathing. The porch features cedar decking with pressure-treated beams, joists, and a cedar guardrail. For anyone who wants everything on one level, no stairs, garage attached, nothing complicated, the Cottonwood delivers that without feeling like a compromise. It's a complete single-story home in a kit. Number 7, the Stillwater. Number 7 is the Stillwater, and this one has earned itself a following. It's a modern barn-style home, sitting on a 24 by 36 footprint, with 1,139 square feet of living space across 2 levels. The kit starts at $148,164. The design originated from a popular custom build that clients kept requesting, so they turned it into a standard kit offering. The main level includes a 529 square foot great room with an adjacent kitchen and bathroom. Above it, a partial loft overlooks the entire living space, creating that wide-open vertical drama that barn homes are known for. Massive windows bring in natural light from virtually every angle. The framing is clear span construction with glulam loft beams, meaning no interior posts interrupting your floor plan. Walls are 2x8 exterior framing, thicker than most kits on this list, which means better insulation potential when you finish the interior. Siding is select grade cedar. The roof uses pre-manufactured parallel cord trusses at a 9 to 12 pitch. The loft has cedar railing. Windows and doors are Anderson 100 series, including Anderson glass doors. The Stillwater has completed projects in Wyoming, Oklahoma, and Kansas City. It has been built out as a barn home, a barn office, and even a sports court. Whatever you turn it into, the bones handle it. Number 8, the Gearhart. Number 8 is the Gearhart. And if you've been searching for a single-story cabin that doesn't look like every other cabin on the market, this one deserves your attention. The Gearhart starts at $153,371. You get 1,009 square feet of conditioned space and 1,421 total square feet, which includes a 273 square foot covered patio and entry, 2 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, and a completely post-free interior that you can configure from a blank canvas. What separates the Gearhart from everything else on this list is the roofline. A dual pitch at 6/12 and 10/12, combined with custom window walls and sloped ceilings, makes the interior feel dramatically larger than the square footage suggests. Light enters from multiple angles and elevations, which fundamentally changes the atmosphere of the space. Framing is Douglas fir with pressure-treated beams and joists. Siding is select-grade cedar with a slat privacy wall detail that adds a layer of modern texture to the exterior. Windows are Anderson 100 series and doors are Anderson A series. The floor system is a crawl space with TJI joists and tongue-and-groove edge gold sheathing. The deck uses cedar decking and trim. The Gearhart is described as a contemporary twist on the Bandon model. In practice, it takes classic cabin DNA and gives it an architectural upgrade that feels current without trying too hard. Number 9, the Manzanita. Number 9 is the Manzanita. 2 stories, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a 276 square foot patio, starting at $170,196. The Manzanita gives you 1,367 square feet of conditioned space and 1,643 total square feet. The main level covers 924 square feet with a light-filled great room, kitchen, and dining area, plus a primary suite and laundry tucked toward the back. Upstairs, an enclosed loft holds 2 additional bedrooms and a shared bath, a private zone for guests, kids, or home offices. The roof system is a 7/12 pitch with pre-manufactured parallel cord trusses and CDX sheathing. Framing is Douglas fir with pressure-treated beams and joists. Siding is select-grade cedar. Windows are Anderson 100 series and doors are Anderson A series. The floor system includes a crawl space with TJI joists, a loft with open web floor joists and stair framing, and a deck with cedar decking and trim. The heavy timber patio overhang on the main level creates a substantial covered outdoor living area tucked beneath the second floor. Rain or shine, summer or winter, that space is usable year-round. It's one of those design choices that sounds minor on paper, but ends up becoming the favorite spot in the house. For a full-time family home that uses every square foot with purpose and doesn't sprawl for the sake of sprawling, the Manzanita earns its place near the top of this list. Number 10, the Concordia. And finally, number 10, the Concordia. This is the largest barn home kit in the entire lineup. 2,718 square feet of conditioned living space, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, 2 full stories, starting at $181,323. The floor plan includes an upstairs loft that overlooks the open-concept main living area below. On the first floor, the primary bedroom features an extra-large closet and ensuite bathroom on one side, while 2 additional bedrooms and a shared bathroom sit on the opposite side, giving parents and kids their own wings of the house. A spacious den and a mudroom provide additional room for a home office, storage, or hobbies. The total footprint is 2,890 square feet. Framing is Douglas fir with knife plates and powder-coated steel hardware. Siding is select-grade cedar with trim, belly band, fascia, and hand railing. The roof is a 7/12 pitch with CDX sheathing and decorative features. The loft floor system uses 2x4 joists with tongue and groove sheathing and includes a 4-foot stair package. Windows are Anderson 100 series. The Concordia has completed builds in Colorado, Southern Oregon, and Arizona. Real homes with real families living in them. If you want to see what this kit looks like fully built and occupied, those project galleries are available online. For a 3-bedroom barn home with a loft, a den, a mudroom, and over 2,700 square feet of living space, a starting kit price of $181,323 puts the Concordia in territory that is genuinely difficult to match anywhere else. Now, here's what ties all 10 of these kits together. They all come from one company, DC Structures, based out of Portland, Oregon. DC Structures designs and manufactures prefabricated building kits using premium Pacific Northwest timbers, primarily Douglas fir. Each kit ships with structural blueprints, framing, siding, windows, doors, and a tablet preloaded with construction documents and a 3D model of your building. Their manufacturing process uses CNC prefabrication technology to precision-cut components off-site, which reduces material waste, shortens build timelines, and brings down on-site construction costs compared to conventional building methods. Important note, these kits do not include interior build-out, mechanical systems, site work, or installation labor. That part is on you or your general contractor. However, their parent company, DC Builders, does offer full design and construction services if you would rather go the turnkey route. Every kit on this list is fully customizable. DC Structures offers hundreds of options and upgrades, from high-performance wood windows to fiber cement siding alternatives. Sustainability is also central to their process. Locally harvested timbers, minimal waste through digital fabrication, and a company-wide commitment to reducing environmental impact at every stage of production. If any of these 10 kits caught your eye, I'll leave links in the description so you can explore the floor plans, specifications, and completed project galleries for yourself. But here's one thing most people completely overlook when shopping for building kits like these. The kit price is not your total build cost. Your foundation, insulation, HVAC, plumbing, electrical, interior finishes, and site preparation are all separate expenses that add up quickly. If you don't account for those costs up front, you end up halfway through a build wondering where your entire budget went. So if you want to understand what a Barndominium or cabin kit actually costs to take from delivery to move-in day, watch this video right here where I break down the full picture, kit price, construction costs, and everything in between. So you go in with your eyes wide open. That clarity up front makes all the difference. Till next time.